Hello guys, welcome to Programming Bro. I am RK. In this section we are going to create a Python project which help us to create a index in HTML file and going to start a server. So I am going to create a file of Python by touch main.py. It is a terminal command which help us to create a file. Now I'm going to use nano editor. You can use vim editor also. It depend on you which editor you want to use. I'm going to open nano. I'm going to use nano. I'm going to open main.py here. I want to use number. Then I want to use mouse touch also. Then I'm going to add word wrap here. Then what can we do now? I have thing and this. Now we have to import OS module. And we are going to import sub process as sp. Means we are going to import sub process. It is a model which help us to run terminal commands on our Python terminal. Like think I'm going to give example. I import sub process has sp, means I not need to write sub process. I can write has sp. I'm going to show sp.run this command which I am giving in parentheses. Then I'm going to clear. I'm going to save this. Then I'm going to run this Python mtab is auto complete. It's clear everything now. Now our OS module will help us to do everything here. So I'm going to use os dot change directory function which help us to change our directory. I'm going to change my directory to SD card, then my ytitudes, then my basic HTML, then my HTML file. Means I have given the path of my file here. So I'm going to save this. Now I'm going to print this also. So oh no, I'm going to cancel this here. os dot get cwd, I think this command, I'm not sure. I'm going to add print here, print my path here. So I'm going to run this. I get now I am in my HTML folder now. So I'm going to start this. Now I'm going to create a file here. First thing I'm going to check the file is available or not, means it exists or not. So I'm going to add an input here by file name, then input, then then my string here, enter file name. Now the user will give the file name. Now we have to do two things here. First, checking the file is existing or not. Another is creating file. If file exists, don't create the file. if not exist, we're going to create file. Now we're going to check the file is exist or not. So I'm going to add if condition here, condition, then column, then tab. Just I'm writing pass here. Now I'm going to write this condition: if os dot, if not, if os dot path dot ex, oh no, exist. Now I'm going to check which file is going to exist or not. File name means it check the file is existing or not exist. Print what we have to print now. File is created. File is created. Else we're going to add a condition: print the output will be file exist already. Now we're going to check our function is running, our program is running or not. main.py. I want my tut 8.html, I think. File is exist already. Now I'm going to show I have the file. I'm going to use a code editor because I have folder everything. In my HTML folder I have tut 8.html. So now we're going to check. Now we're going to add if exist, then now I'm going to open file. In Python we can open a file or create a file using a function, a method. It's depend on what you want to call with open. Now we have to give the name of the file which we want to open. I'm going to write in that file. Now I'm going to give users file name here. Means in Python, if the file is not exist, if you add file name and going to add write mode, then it automatically create a new file for you. So I'm going to with open file write in that file write. Now we're going to write f dot write write write, then oh no, now we have to give boilerplate here. So I'm going to write here I'm going to give single tab here, str boilerplate blour. I'm going to write str only. This string is equal to, I'm going to use triple quotes. Now we have to add Now we have added now we have to add boilerplate, so we're going to create a file index.html here. It's for boilerplate only. Then just tab, it's auto complete everything. Then just Control Alt A for select everything, then Alt C for oh no just Alt V Alt Z we have just copied everything here. Now I'm going to just paste here. I just paste everything here now just at heading we're going to now I'm going to do anything here. Not now I'm going to just do document only. Document another will just complete. Now we're going to save this file. Now we're going to check our file is running or not. We get storage alter. Now file tut. In next video I'm going to use this file, so I'm going to create here only. Then just add here. Oh, I get an error because I have not entered str into here. So str file name tut9.html file exists, it's created file. So I'm going to delete from this path here. First I have to I'm going to delete this. I'm going to cut this file also. Then I'm going to run this program now. Now I'm going to run my Python program tut9.html here. HTML is completed everything now. Just we're going to check the file is created or not. Now I'm going to open tut.html. We have created now. This much we have created. I'm going to save this. Just completed. No, but I want to show a text here. So file is created. I'm going to show as file is created. Print file is created. It seems some good. Now bye guys. Let's meet in next video. Sorry for mistake. In next video we're going to talk about lists and labels, so wait for the video. Bye. Oh no, just I'm going to cut this now. Sorry guys, I forgot to create a server using this, so I'm going to start my project again. So main.html. Now we have to create a server here, so I'm going to do What can we do now? Alt 6 for onset. I'm going to use sub process for run my command, which is python make http dot server. Now save. First I'm going to show you how it's work. So I'm going to cd sd card. It is a terminal command which helps us to change our directory to sd card. So I am going to start here server thing. So I'm going to do python node make http dot server server, then python. Server is started. Now I'm going to open my I'm going to cut everything here this much. This I'm going to cut this. Now I'm going to start my new tab, localhost, then go. I have started my server here. I can check my any file from here. I'm going to start this from I'm going to my web, then web. In web I have html here index.html, so it automatically taken that file. So first I'm going to show my YT-tools, then basic HTML, then CSS. There is no file in CSS. I'm going to zoom this, then do this. I have these things, .html, and here we have not written anything, so it's blank. So I'm going to run my program and go to check it is running or not. So alt C for cut, then main.py, can't open. Oh, we have changed our directory now, so just here ls. We are in root folder now. Sorry for my mistake. I'm going to just sd. It's automatically get me to my termux storage. Then I'm going to run my main.py here. File name will be in test dot html now. No such file or open directory. Why it's showing this? I had to turn thing. First I'm going to open my main.this, enter. Why we have to give the arguments with a list format, so I mistaken here. A list format. So here I'm going to add this, then here this, then this, then this, then this. Now I think it's going to run. Python main.py text2.html file is created. HTTP also started. Now we're going to restart our server. We're getting an error now. just we're going to type localhost. Here we get everything. Just easy. Now we're going to use text 8. Oh, I had opened my text tut 9 tut 8. In previous video we have created this form which help us to enter our name, class, email address, gender, and you are clever or not. So we can send this data to nextpage.html. So it is easy. In next video we are going to talk about I have told that bye bye.